Why did all the prices of incorporation and company secretary increase in 2022? Reptilians, Illuminati, or a nasty accounting cartel? Let's investigate. Hi, I'm Laurent Timmermans. Welcome to ATHENASIA. In this video, we'll be investigating why the price of incorporation and legal maintenance went up in 2023. You may have noticed that the price went up this year, since April 2023. So what really happened? Actually, nothing really sexy. This time, Bill Gates has nothing to do with it. What happened is that during the pandemic, the Hong Kong government decided to waive the business registration fees of 2,000 Hong Kong dollars. And now that the pandemic is over, what happened is that they just put it back. So they put it back in 30 March 2023. Actually started 1st of April 2023. And therefore, what happened is that the accountant and company secretary were forced to increase their price. Now, what we did in ATHENASIA, we only raised the price of company secretary, so the legal maintenance part, but we kept the incorporation at the same level. So we took a hit on our margin and we kept the price at the same level. So if you're interested to open a company and still benefit from the pandemic prices, it's really the right time to open your company with us. So if you're interested, just drop us an email at info@athenasia.com and my team will be more than happy to serve you. So I see you in the next video.